How to fix green lines on iPhone. Hello everyone, I am Bishakha and welcome to our channel Create Login and Delete. Let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, force restart your device. To force restart, quickly press and release the volume up button. Next, quickly press and release the volume down button. And finally, press and release the power button until you see the Apple logo. Don't release the power button when you see the slide to power off slider. Keep holding the side button until Apple logo appears. Once it appears, you can release the power button. After force restarting your device, launch the Settings application and then tap on General. Scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless none of your data or media will be deleted. In Settings again, tap on Display and Brightness and make sure the toggle button for True Tone is toggled off. Now tap on General and then on Software Update and see if there is any new iOS update, and if there is an update then go ahead and update your device further. If it is still not fixed, erase all content and settings from your device. To do that, scroll down to the bottom and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, and then on Erase All Content and Settings. Before tapping on Continue, make sure you have backed up all your data from this device. Tap on Continue now and your problem will be fixed. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.